Hi everyone, myself Dinesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering from SNS College of Technology. So in our first video, we have seen what a solar energy is, the energy which is obtained from the sun, and we also know that the sun is the major source for all type of energy, including the fossil fuel, natural gas, or whatever it is. So where the sun plays a major role in it, and we also know that there is in a certain years like 150 150 or 300 years, we know that natural gas will be completely diminished from our world. So we are looking for an additional energy source. That's why we are choosing the solar energy. So there are another energy also, which is nuclear energy, which is parallelly important as the solar energy, but we are mostly concentrating more on solar energy because the nuclear energy need high technology to be maintained, and the second is the cost of the nuclear energy is very high, and the third one is nuclear energy have some side effects. So when it's compared to nuclear, solar energy is comparatively less in cost, and it can be maintained easily, and there is no side effect. And also the availability of the solar energy, solar radiation in our earth is very much more. And we also see the applications of the solar is widely used in all the type of industries, mostly in home appliances, where we also use in AC, refrigeration, iron box, and if for heating the water, heating the building or cooling the building, and also in the solar vehicles like e-vehicles, we are using solar energy as an application. So in the third video, we have seen the on-grid or off-grid system. The on-grid system is one where the solar we produce the energy by the means of solar and we use it, and if there is excess amount of energy we have produced, we can send it back to our government, and that's what on-grid system is. In the off-grid, the government will not be any part in it, so we are producing, and we are using it in our home. So that's what off grid is. So there is no lines between the EV and our system. Okay, so when it's compared to on grid or off grid, I think on grid is very much uh, comparatively good compared to off grid, because if we produce a large number of electricity, we have an option to give it back to the EB department, where we can get refund as an amount. If we are producing low amount of current, we can get it from the EB board. Okay, so it's very important. So today we are going to see why the EV vehicle is been booming in the recent years. So EV vehicle or solar, it's been in a talk for more than 50 to 60 years, but only recently the EV vehicle has been in a very big boom, and in most of the countries they have been even in India the EV vehicles have came to road. So the why it took so much time for an EV vehicle to launch as a full product. So the main reason is only the batteries. Okay, so in before 20 to 30 years back, the batteries the which we need for our EV vehicle is very much larger in volume, so it's difficult to place it in a vehicle and make use of it. So nowadays the size of the that means the volumetric size of the battery has been reduced thanks to the technology. So now we can use it in EV vehicle. Okay, so whenever we compare the batteries of whenever we compare the batteries and wood, petroleum, or kerosene, or whatever it is, when we compare their volumetric density, we can understand that the battery So volumetric density is much more beneficial than others. Okay, thank you.